It's a new year, so it's time to refresh the look of the build. This is my BMW E90. It's bagged, I love it, but it's time for a fresh look. We got a lot of new stuff. We got brand new BBS wheels. We got F90 style headlights from the Beamer bin. And we even got a Bavsound system. And this is just one part of many of this series. Today we're test fitting the BBS wheels. Here it is, guys. This is the final product of the BBS wheels on the E90. I'm honestly so stoked with how this came out. This is fulfilling childhood dreams for me. I've always wanted BBS wheels on a Beamer, especially an E90, and I've always wanted it to be red like this one. So I can already see the vision coming through with this, and I hope you guys are seeing it too. Let me know if you guys want to see the headlight install next or the Bavsound install. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.